Hey, why is the ocean so salty? Yuck!
It all starts with rain falling on rocks. Rainwater may look clean, but it slowly breaks down rocks over time. As the rocks break apart, they release tiny minerals like sodium and chloride. These minerals are so small that we can't even see them. Rivers then carry these minerals across land and into the ocean. Day after day, year after year, more and more minerals keep flowing in. Over millions of years, these minerals build up in the ocean, making the water salty. When the sun heats the ocean, water evaporates into the sky, but the salt stays behind in the sea. And that's not all. Even underwater volcanoes release minerals, adding even more salts to the ocean over time. Oh, that's why the ocean is salty. Got it.